She's bold and she's beautiful. But she sure is complex.
Every time she's around, everything just sparkles.
Jy moet haar sien om te besef sy's ongelooflik.
She takes my breath away.
I just love her so much. Sorry. God.
Just so in love.
Is sy 'n berg? Want as ek saam met haar is, voel dit of my kruin is van die wêreld.
She makes my heart pound.
Ek kan nie ophou aan haar dink nie.
Woorde is min. Sy praat vir haarself.